If you encounter a DNS error on your Shopify store, it typically means there's an issue with the domain name system configuration. Here's how to potentially fix it. Check domain settings, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to online store domains. Ensure that your domain is correctly configured and connected to your Shopify store. If not, follow the steps to reconnect or configure the domain properly. Review DNS settings. If you're using a custom domain, review the DNS settings with your domain registrar. Make sure that the DNS records, including A records and CNAME records, are correctly pointing to Shopify's servers. Flush DNS cache. Sometimes DNS errors can occur due to cached DNS records. Try flushing the DNS cache on your computer or device. Instructions for flushing DNS cache vary depending on your operating system. Wait for DNS propagation. Changes to DNS settings may take some time to propagate across the internet. Wait for DNS propagation to complete, which can take up to 48 hours in some cases. Contact Shopify support. If the issue persists after checking and correcting DNS settings, contact Shopify support for assistance.